23 years in the special education classroom, and I have to admit that I still operate under assumptions of accessibility. One day, my high school students and I took a field trip to a local bowling alley. Pizza, soda, laughter, pins crashing. They were all interrupted by a simple request to go to the bathroom. We rolled over together, only to find that none of the stalls were accessible, not even the larger one. My facial expression matched my sense of disbelief. But my student, she was unfazed. For her, this was just another Tuesday. Before I could spring into action, her slim frame, shaped by living with cerebral palsy, was already crossing the bathroom doorway. An agent of her own independence, she had already figured out a route to solve her situation. We crossed a 4-lane street together and rolled under the golden arches, dashed to the bathrooms, but all the while I kept thinking, dignity shouldn't require a detour. That moment stayed with me. It reminded me that agency matters. How we respond to barriers matters. And how we engage in theology and lived experiences matters. In the Gospel of Luke, we often find and give credit to the friends who lowered the paralytic man through the roof. But what if it was his idea? What if he was the one that said to his friends, "Get me there"? That shift in perspective matters. That's the kind of shift that happens in spaces like Hispanic Scholars Program. Here, students, faculty, board members, partners, we are all invited to reflect deeply on how we engage ourselves, each other, and the world. In the HSP, I have found a space to connect theology, experience, and justice work. And that work is collaborative work, where we get to reimagine an ADA policy that HSP could embody, and not just enforce. The best teaching and learning I have ever received didn't come from a textbook. It didn't come from a training or a degree. It came from my students. They are the ones who teach me every day how to be a better learner, a better teacher, and really, a better human.